Hi everyone, this is Amruthavarshini working as Assistant Professor from Mallareddy College of Engineering, so Department of Computer Science of AI&ML. So today I am going to lecture on data types in Python programming. So in programming, data type is an important concept in Python programming. So why it is an important means variables can store data of different types and different types can do different things. So following are the standard or built-in data types of Python. So these are all the data types in Python: numeric type, sequence type, boolean, set and dictionary. Let's see the diagram. So data types. So let's see numeric data types. So numeric data types are integer, float and complex numbers. Let's see dictionary and boolean, set, these are all the different data types. And next is the sequence data types. So sequence data types are strings, list, tuple. Why it is a sequence mean it is order, so it is follow to the order, so that's why sequence data types are strings, list and tuple. So let's see, so 4 built-in data types in Python, so used to store collections of data. So let's see 4 data types: list, tuple, dictionary and set. Let's see list. So why we are using the list in data types? Let's see the real time of example. So real life meaning, so your phone saves and updates contacts exactly like this list. So let's see list. So lists are used to store multiple elements in a string variable, which means so list can store the different data types elements and same data type elements also. And list created by placing elements inside the square brackets and separated by commas. Let's see. So list is created by placing elements inside the square brackets separated by a commas. So lists are ordered, changeable, which means it is mutable, means it allow to the duplicate values also. Let's see for example, list means I will take the L. So list means variable, I will take the variable L. So where we are placing the elements inside the square brackets, So what I told, list allows same data type elements or different data type elements also, which means so same data type elements means, for example, we know that one integers means numeric data types, integer, float, string. So let's see, for example, I will take the integer values 1, 2, 3. So same data type elements. So what I said, or different data type elements also it allows. So which means L is equal to, so 1 or different data types means strings and float values also is there. So it allows to the float value and it allows to the string value also. So list is so placing elements okay. So it's so the list is changeable. Why it is list is changeable means we can change, add and remove elements in list after it has been created. Why means let's see what I said, change, add and remove. If you want to change the elements, so it will be changed. If you want to add the elements, it will be added. If you want to remove the elements in the list, it will be removed. Next, list elements are indexed, means list elements are, so we know that one index position it will be started 0, 1, this is 1 and these 2 and etc. we will give the and so on. So next, if you want to add a new elements will be placed at the end of the list. If you want to add any element, it will be added to the end of the list. For example, if you want to add any element, for example, if you want to add element, it means 2. So L is equal to 1, 2.3, hello. So if you want to add element, this element, it will be placed at end of the list. So a list can also have another list as an element. This is called a nested list. So list allows the another list also.